In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cookie consent on Webflow 2025. We'll walk through installing a cookie banner using Webflow's app ecosystem, so you can stay compliant and keep your visitors informed, without writing custom code. Start by opening your Webflow account and navigating to the project where you want the cookie consent banner. From your site's dashboard or designer, look for the apps or marketplace access, then click into the search field. In the search bar, type cookie consent to find the official solution. When you see the result that reads, "Create a cookie consent pop-up easily," highly customizable and simple to use, click it to open the app's page. On the app page, you'll notice a detailed description with a headline about staying ahead of privacy standards. Click into that section to expand and review what the app offers, things like customization, category controls, and how it integrates with Webflow. Before installing, it's a good idea to scan the resources available. Click the website link to read full documentation and examples, and click the support link to see how to get help if you need it later. If an Open Full Listing button appears, click it to view the complete details in the marketplace, including screenshots, permissions, and update notes. Once you're confident it's the right fit, click Install on-site. You'll be prompted to choose which Webflow site to install it on. Select your project from the list and continue. Next, authorize the app. This screen explains the permissions it needs, such as the ability to add custom code or modify settings related to your pages. Review the permissions, then click to authorize. In a moment, the app will connect to your site. After installation, you'll land in the app's setup flow. Here, tailor the banner's design to match your brand, choose its position on the page, and define cookie categories like essential, analytics, and marketing. Keep your language clear and respectful, and consider adding a link to your privacy policy. Use the preview to confirm how the banner looks on desktop and mobile before publishing. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Test the banner in an incognito window to see first visit behavior. Verify that reject and manage preferences are visible and functional, and republish your site so the changes go live. Regulations can vary by region, so if you're unsure about consent rules, consult a qualified professional. That's it. Your Webflow site now has a modern, customized